to thank you so much for all you did for my parents.
Chisom, we only did what was right.
Please, can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Please take it easy on my parents. They are difficult people. Grandma always says you don't do a good favor until you do it for the people who doesn't repay you.
Come here. Chisom, your wisdom is way beyond your age. Thank you for understanding. We will think about what you just said.
Thank you.
Chisom, my daughter, you brought the wisdom of an adult. My daughter, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Chisom.
Take it easy now.
Okay.
You want to break my leg?
Sorry.
Ordinary massage. You're not able.
Sorry, my love.
We don't know okay the so ni.
My beautiful wife.
Organic.
Have you realized that people no longer call us for work?
Are you the one asking me this? How will they continue to call us for work? How will they continue to call us for work when we don't even deliver? They will bring money and give you. You will eat the money and still drag me along to fight them.
Ijelu. So I am now the one eating the money.
Are you not the one eating the money before?
So bad.
Don't you used to eat the money? You will eat the money for the work. You will not deliver. You will not drag me along to fight them. I don't blame you. See, it is better we change line of business, because in this life, when one door closes, another one will open.
Okay.
So it's better we look for another thing.
That's fine.
So
what are we going to do?
Let us start selling I mean herbs.
That is the
medicine now. So let's start the business.
Very, very good.
You know that in this kingdom, people hardly survive without herbs.
Yes.
And they are going to patronize us.
You are
that
right.
One, I am always right.
You see, Ijenu. You see, Ijenu. You are my wife.
That is why you married me.
We think together.
We think together. Is this not my suggestion? There is no problem. You don't have anything on this your coconut head.
There is no problem.
The only thing you know how to do is to climb on top of me. You need to, you learn me. That's the only thing you know how to do.
My love, it's okay. It's okay. You see this herbs business now. You will be the one to test it.
Leave my leg. Who will be the one to test it?
You will test it.
There is a herb you will prepare. That one. He used to do washing and setting. So we will test it on you. I forgot. We will know that we know what we are doing. Because this your stomach need to go down. You think I used to enjoy it? I don't used to enjoy anything. Anytime you climb on top of me, I used to. Don't you notice that I used to suffocate? Yes. So it's better you so that it will stop making you to come fast. I get it from there. Illegal men can have been too much.
Yes, they are the same now. You said I should bring more of this. Okay.
Yes.
You
will take it too. We need fertility oil.
Fertility oil?
For barren women. We need the man.
You said I should add fertility oil. You are the one that said I should add that one.
Yes, now. Bring it. Block it.
We need this very one. We need the root. The root of this one. No.
Just block it.
See, look at the mborogo here. We need this mborogo.
This one is for fertility.
Yes.
This one is for bagaba.
See this one. Okay.
We think bagaba. Chobia. Buti rinne nke gbagagba nke ya gonye nwucha ono n'elu nwunye no ta aka I anwukwu ya you take it o Chekwube nwunye di mo Ichenu I brought you something Chekwube. I noticed that it's not like I noticed. I know that you have been battling to conceive. So I brought you these herbs to drink. It will conquer your barrenness. It's not like it's my business. I'm only trying to help. Ngwan, have it. Buru?
Ijenu.
Yes?
How dare you?
Ogenekwa.
How dare you walk into my house and insult me? I have had enough of this nonsense. You better stop it. Is it my fault that I cannot conceive? What's all this?
I was only trying to help. Look at someone I'm trying to help. I see you enjoy being barren. You enjoy your condition, right? No problem. No problem. I'm sorry for coming to disturb you. I brought you herbs that will conquer your barrenness. And you're here shouting at me. Out of my niceness, so I should not be nice to Munyedim. You are here. See it as an insult. I am not insulting you. I'm only concerned that you should give your husband a child, though. White. It's not when you grow white hairs. That's when you bear your husband a child. That is why I brought these special herbs for you to drink. So that it will conquer your barrenness. But I say that you don't want to conquer the barrenness. I shall take my leave. You don't want to conquer the barrenness. You have been carrying around for years. No problem. Buliet by Aliba. Anam. Buliet by Aliba.
Ofuji Mogike. You see these very herbs. After taking it tonight, you will last longer on bed with your new married wife.
You don't mean it?
Yes, I am serious about it. Just take it. Don't get it before you start your job as a man. A man now.
You mean?
Before you die by any horror.
Yeah,
your wife, your new wife, will testify to this. Yes.
I testify.
This one is
oh, this one.
It's straight out this now. You are giving me only. Ofuji, you will testify to this. In fact, your new wife will testify to this.
How will she testify for you instead of me?
Man, I eat it before you take it.
I'm getting it.
Who make it for now?
Nam go see abu. Dem go kuya. Nga say akpokpo. Kan were ga.
This is for cleansing. Nyam ucha na nzacha. It will cleanse your entire body. Should in case you have done abortion 1 or 2 times. I don't know. To fear again. Abiya biko. Take. It will cleanse your entire body. You need it.
Exactly. This is what I need.
Oh, this is what you need. This is how you will be taking it. Very early in the morning. Itachalo.
Obeli.
Ingo. If you want to go to bed, Tachalo. Ingo. You drink. Okay,
the money.
Oh. It's a good for dash again.
I'll break it later in the evening.
Idiapa. Listen, I do not joke with my business.
I know now. I know you
I
very
don't
well.
joke with money.
I know you very well now.
You know how much? 10 calories.
Ewo. Obo can call 5.
10 calories.
You
don't know what I gave to you. I don't want to wait for you. Where do your mother? She has done abortion like 2 times or even 3. Because this is exactly what I need. Which in a mamma. Can't you get an ego?
What is even happening to me? My stomach. My stomach.
This is the 3rd time. What did you give me to drink? Oh, because of our land, please help me.
Hey, I'm going
Organikwa. Why are you looking at us like that?
Are you not ready to give my money to me?
Organikwa.
It's okay, you make them.
Give him that small one.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay. Adam.
What is this?
Egon.
This is not even half of my money. You, listen. Weeks have passed. And this is all you could get.
That is what
Give it back to me.
Papa.
Since you don't want the money.
Okay, so if you don't want to collect that one, give it back to me.
Okay, Zia, or whatever they call you, I don't even care to know. The thing is that we now sell herbs.
Yes.
Now I will need to eat you're gonna go do. Come and buy from us.
Yes.
No time for any word. See, birds can fly across, then The hunters, they have their choice.
Come and buy.
Listen to me. It is you I know. Obodo. It is you I know. You are the one owing me. So I have no time to listen to this one. I don't have anything with this woman. It is you I know. I am telling you, you have few days, you have 4 market days as a matter of fact to bring my balance. If you don't, I will take this matter to the shrine.
What is shrine?
You think we are scared of shrine?
Come and buy head.
You think we are scared of shrine?
Come and buy him with a house
If not God.
so that you will last long. Come on bed.
It's time they are called before the shrine.
And when you get me,
We are not scared of shrine.
let's go it.
I will tell you shrine.
Oh, Bodo.
It's you.
Oh, Bodo.
My elders.
How many times have I called you?
2 times.
We elders of the land have been receiving complaints. Please, what is this herb that you are selling that is making people fall ill and purging them?
That's very good. It's supposed to purge them. It's a sign that the medicine is working very well. What would the one go? My elders.
Let me tell you. You are messing or herbal medicine or whatever you call it. It's causing more harm to our people than good. That's why they are complaining. What can
Each year, I want you to forget about everybody that is complaining about my herbs. It's not good to them. Those people are enemies of my progress. Yes.
Have you taken the herbs yourself?
Why should I take it? Am I sick? I am strong, so there is no need of me testing the herbs. Yes, I am okay. Yes.
Listen to me. You must take it, though. You see those herbs? You must take them yourself. Onye na-esi nne ya ebi mmadụ osicha ya neta ya ose ka ọ mmadụ sibe nke onye ebi ya osicha ka neta ya nnu. When you are making food for somebody, you must test whether the pepper is normal. And so if somebody is making food for you, that person will equally test whether salt is normal. So you must take that herbs. Now I want to tell you this. Listen. We have decided to let you know that we want you to stop selling it to them. Stop. Listen. You must stop selling it to them. Stop it, Fusia.
For what, Ogezia? For what? You have no right to tell me how to handle my business. Who are you to tell me to stop? Somebody? Who are you?
Have some respect.
Who are you, boy? Aha! It's here. Ogezia. How many times did I call you? Stay away from my business, Ogezia. If not for one thing, Ogezia, I would have descended on you right here.
You would have descended on me.
Yes!
You?
Yes, I would have descended on you here now.
It's like you have gone mad. You are out of yourself. You no longer have respect for elders. You have grown to the extent that you can point into my face. You can challenge the gods, you.
Okay, sir. Are you talking back at me? Okay, sir. I swear with this idea, one more word from your mouth, I swear. I will just finish you here now, okay, sir. No, one more word and I just go him down. Are you mad? Nonsense. Just one more word now. Let me finish you here now. Nonsense. Useless man.
This rat has grown wings, has gotten the liver to challenge elders, to insult elders, my very self, Okezie inclusive. He has grown to the stage of challenging the gods.
Mama, I remembered something. Mama, have you seen Obodo and IJENUWA selling those that so-called herbs? Mama, I wonder how people keep up with those that evil lies.
The herbs they gave Mbadike's son nearly killed him. He's been plucking for days. If you are not careful, that man will send us all to the land of the dead.
May the gods forbid. Mama, we need to do something. We need to do something before others keep suffering like this, Mama.
Miss Chonu! What is the problem? Uchechi, mind your business. Oburu and his wife are too dangerous. They will turn the villagers against us. Uchechi, be careful. Please let us go. You are talking. Be careful. Uchechi, be careful.
Ngwa! Bieba! Come here! Where have you been? I sent you on an errand since morning.
I want to get something for Nnechekube.
Oginekwa. Osi? What did you just say? Chisom?
I want to get something for Nnechekube.
Why? So you now prefer Chekube over me, your mother?
No, Ne.
No,
Ne. I just want to get something for her, nothing else.
Eh? And you did that without telling me? Chisom? Since morning! Since... Come back here! Carry these herbs. Go and sell it for me. Make sure you collect my money. Make sure you collect my money.
But Mama, people are complaining about the herbs.
People are complaining about the herbs. Listen to me, Chisom. Once you sell the herbs to anyone, collect your money face front. Whatever the person is saying is none of your business. Do you hear what I said? This is the wrong one in case Hachon Kediro. Do you want to carry it on your head or your hand? Anyone?
Mama, people...
Go and do what I asked you to do. After I'm good, what happened when I was man needed you for? Sonny, people are complaining about the herbs. What is my business? My own is for you to bring money home. You will not have me. When do I? Come here! Where have you been? I sent you on an errand since morning.
I want to get something for Nnechekube.
Oginekwa. Osi? What did you just say? Chisom?
I want to get something for Nnechekube.
Why? So you now prefer Chekube over me, your mother?
No, Ne.
No,
Ne. I just want to get something for her, nothing else.
Eh? And you did that without telling me? Chisom? Since morning! Come back here! Carry these herbs. Go and sell it for me. Make sure you collect my money. Make sure you collect my money.
But Mama, people are complaining about the herbs.
Oginigwa. People are complaining about the herbs. Listen to me, Chisom. Once you sell the herbs to anyone, collect your money face front. Whatever the person is saying is none of your business. Do you hear what I said? Inu. This is the wrong one in case Hachon get the wrong. Do you want to carry it on your head, on your hand, anyone?
Mama, the people.
Go and do what I asked you to do. After I'm good, what I could have done, man, needed you for. Sonny, people are complaining about the herbs. What is my business? My own is for you to bring money home.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see the beauty of this life, a gift from the gods. For you were always there in times of want and needs.
My love, what is it? You look very happy.
Obim, I am pregnant. The midwife confirmed it today. All we've prayed for, the child we've been waiting for has finally come.
Thanks to gods. They have blessed us after our prayers. Today is my happiest day. Thank you very much, my love. Thank you.
Obim.
My love.
Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for loving me and understanding me while we waited. Thank you so much.
My love, you're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for this. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Aha! Obi nwoke ezukwa n'ike. Now my mind is relaxed. Ekwu ogene. Thanks to the gods. Thank you very much. You're wonderful.
Thank you.
You're wonderful, my love.
Chisom, stand up and take this help, son.
She cannot even stand up. Just sit up a little.
Yeah, sit up. Take.
Papa, I don't want this herb. I don't want to
Drink.
Makageni.
Mama, no.
You don't want to take the herbs.
You don't want to take.
But you know how to fall sick. Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth.
But when you can be in your gua.
Please.
Open your mouth.
Come on, go open that. Open your mouth.
Just
wait.
You know how to fall sick, but you don't want to take herbs. Just
Please, Papa, please.
But why you no?
But what?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Come on, take this, bro.
Why you can
take it?
Open your mouth. You know how to fall sick, but you don't want to take herbs.
This is very one. You must finish it.
I don't understand this.
Come, my pound. My pound, get here.
Open your mouth and take that thing. I'm not talking this. No, look at my body.
Let me go and do something and clean you, my lovely wife.
You don't want to take medicine, but you know how to fall sick. I'm
coming.
Bring something. Let me clean everywhere. Take you see what time here now. No. But you know how to fall sick.
Come on, lie down and sleep. I'm going to go now. Lie down. Stop looking at me. I'm going to go now.
No. Chisom. What is it?
My stomach hurts.
Your stomach hurts. Hey, Chicken could take me. Oh, Obodo!
Huh?
Obodo! Bia, because. Chisom, Terry. Could they move me? Mamma, and name one.
What is it?
Chisom.
My daughter.
Chisom. Go and get water for her.
Will you eat one?
Chisom.
I'm coming.
Bring water for her.
The herb is working.
That herbs is harsh.
It's working. The herb is working.
Chisom.
I have lost it.
Obodo!
What is it?
Obodo!
You can't be serious.
She's no longer breathing.
You don't know what you're saying. My daughter. Adam. Obodo.
She's no longer breathing.
Chisom. Jim.
Hey! Obodo! She's no longer breathing, Obodo! Chisom, don't do this to your mother, please. Don't do this to your mother. Chisom, be going to me. Chisom, please stand up. Obodo, Chisom, say something. Chisom, stand up, please. Hey! Obodo.
Hey! Chisom. It's your fault. You caused her death with your useless herbs.
It is your son's fault. It is your son's fault because I warned him. Mama, I swear to you, I warned him not to give my daughter that help. But you didn't tell Mama why. But why you can't be? He forcefully gave her those herbs. And now she's gone. I'm telling you, man. Don't work us this. Hey, Chimo. Hey! My enemies will laugh at me. My only child. The only child that made me a mother. My only child that proved to my enemies that I'm not barren. Hey, hey, my only child that I carried in my womb for 9 full moon. Chaya, Chiputia, Obelu Mawa, I carried her. Hey, Topo Ilabutagomo, Topo. My only child that proved to my enemies that I'm not barren. Nagije Bolum, someone in the Lemboraguna Power. You have finished me. You have killed me.
I am now childless.
Hey!
Obodo. My brother.
Hey!
I am now childless. You have succeeded in killing my daughter. IJENUWA. Awibugia.
Okay. Chisom. Yandiba.
What am I going to do?
Yandiba. Chisom.
My love. Our child is almost here. And soon, we will carry them in our arms.
I can't wait. I'm sure our child will be a source of blessing and happiness to us.
Yes. Let me go and prepare a delicious meal for you. You deserve the best.
Oh, Beam. Thank you.
You're welcome. I am so fulfilled as a man.
You are a man.
Yes. Okay. Let me go and make something for you.
Thank you.
Okay? Obi.
Tell me where do I go from here? I have lost it all. I have lost it all. My mistakes has got hold of me. Where do I start now?
Chekube.
Where do I
Nwunye di m. Chekube
go?
nwunye di m.
The only
Chekube. Onye. Who's that? Oh, nwunye di gị. It is me. Wamo. Look at how beautiful you look. Chekube, pregnancy really looks good on you. Hey! I'm so happy for you. Congratulations once again.
Ijenu.
Yes.
And what is it?
It's not like I'm having guilty conscience. So, it's just that I came to tell you that I'm sorry for everything. You see, the gods are not really deaf. The gods have ears and they can hear. You see all those heavy insults I used to rain on you those days. Hey! The gods used to hear me. They used to hear everything. And that was why they got angry with and answered your prayers. Yes, the gods have ears and they can hear. You see all those insults I used to rain on you. They heard everything. And they answered you. They got angry and gave you a child. You see? All thanks to me. All thanks to me. But that is not the reason I'm here. I am here to make things right. I'm tired of these quarrels, malice, keeping malice up and down. I'm tired. Everybody is now avoiding me in this kingdom. I'm tired of everything. I just want to make peace with everybody. Starting from you, Nadim, please. I know that you are angry with me for everything I said to you. Those mean words. Please forgive me. Please.
I am not the gods that decides fate. I'm not angry with you.
Really?
No, I'm not. In fact, I forgive you. Yes, everything is now in the past.
You have forgiven me. Hey! I cannot wait. I cannot wait for you to give birth. Don't worry. I am a changed person now. Yes. I no longer make troubles again. I don't want problems anymore. Please, let everything be in the past. Oh, let us live in peace.
It's okay. It's all in the past.
Thank you.
Let's sit behind.
Come. Thank you have a beautiful heart. My husband.
Oh, Malisham.
I have a good news for you.
Good news for me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is the good news? Is it business idea?
My husband, you want business, eh? You like Ikego. Okay. I'll tell you.
Talk to me.
I'm few weeks gone. My husband, I'm pregnant.
You are lying.
No, I'm serious. The midwife confirmed it.
Hey! Come on, Sam.
What?
Yeah, we are expecting another baby.
Yes, we're expecting another child. I'm so happy.
Because of our land. The hollow one. How many times?
My husband.
This child will bring us consolation.
You say, and my husband, I want us to stop making troubles in the village. Please. I don't like the way people are running away from us because of our too much troubles. I want us to start all over again with this, our baby, that is on the way.
Obim, I am promising you here and now, I am not going to look for anyone's trouble again in this kingdom. It's a promise.
Thank
no
you.
more fighting.
No more
No more
quarrels.
quarreling.
I don't want us to fight again as well. We shouldn't be fighting each other. We are husband and wife.
Okay, listen. I promise you, I am not going to fight you again. We are not going to quarrel again. It's a promise.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
IJENUWA, I really can't believe that both of us are expecting children the same time. It's like fate brought us together for this.
Yes. I feel so excited. How does Osita feel about this whole thing?
Funny enough, he's been calm about it, but he's been overly protective this period.
I can imagine. You will not blame him. Even Obodo is so excited.
Do you know? Osita feels he's going to be the best father in the world.
I believe so. He will make a good father. You know he's a good man.
I know.
You married a good husband.
I know. And also, IJENUWA.
Yes?
We should put hands together to raise our children with love, with values, and good beliefs.
I'm a changed person now. You don't need to tell me all that, okay? No more selling of herbs that will hurt people. No more making troubles. Everything. Everything is going to be all right.
I believe you. I
Everything
believe
is
you.
going to be fine.
Oh.
Mama, oh.
Hey! Look at my daughters-in-law. Wonderful.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Look
Mama.
at how beautiful you are two are looking.
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings in them. You're welcome. Oh, IJENUWA.
Mama.
Mama.
Oh.
You both are not looking bad at all.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Mama, we heard that you want to see us. So, we came.
And we didn't come empty-handed. We brought those stuffs for you too.
Only for you.
My daughters.
Yes,
Mama.
Mama.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Eh?
Thank
May
you.
the gods continue to bless you.
Say,
Hey! No.
Thank you, Mama.
IJENUWA, like you said, there's always something to share. But first of all, I have to greet my expectant mothers. So how are my children doing in this stomach?
fine, oh, Mama. Fine.
Mama, my child is strong. His kicks are becoming too fierce enough for me to fall down.
A very strong man
Yes,
he will
Mama.
be. Yes, and this also a very strong man. Yes, so You're welcome. Oh,
Thank you, Mama.
may the gods bless you.
Ise.
This child will be a blessing to this kingdom.
Ise.
And this too.
Ise.
There will never be any root of shame or disgrace.
Ise.
May the gods continue to protect you from any wickedness, from any evil.
Ise.
And my grandchildren will never die young again.
Ise.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Can you
Let me
help
help you.
Achọrọ m isi ofe onugbu.
It's okay.
Asụgo m akpụ nụ.
Okay.